excellent experiments,
magic and mayhem,
facts and fun.
And today, check out how to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stacy and Seth. Seth, what is that?
It's a raw egg.
What?
It's a raw bouncy egg, and we're gonna make it in today's experiment.
Yay! Let's get started.
So for the glowing bouncing egg, we're gonna need 3 glasses,
Vinegar,
spatula,
stirring rod,
3 raw eggs,
food coloring.
and a flashlight.
First, we're going to pour the vinegar into 3 of the glasses.
Till about halfway. Then we're gonna take the food color and I think this is brown.
Looks like red.
Oh,
yeah,
it's brown. And
Now
then,
we're gonna stir.
yeah, and then I'm gonna add the red, orange. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, that's
I
orange.
was right.
Now we're gonna mix. And we're gonna leave this one without any food color.
Yes.
Now we're gonna add the eggs into the jars
And very slowly to make it.
and fully submerge the egg in the vinegar.
Yeah. Oh yes. And it looks bigger.
Yeah, it looks bigger inside the glass. But yeah, this one you can't even see the egg anymore. And yeah, now we're gonna wait at least 24 hours. You can leave it in for longer and it'll get bouncier, but we're gonna wait at least 24 hours and we'll get back to you when it's done.
It's been 24 long hours and now we're going to see the end result.
So we're gonna pour out the glasses.
Yes. Be careful with the...
Ooh.
Oh my god.
And there's the egg.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's so slippery.
So we're gonna take out the other egg. Oh my god. I don't like it. And then the
Oh my
brown
gosh.
or black egg. Oh my god. Okay, you're gonna wash this also? Because I don't want to.
Oh my gosh, I'm spilling water everywhere. And here is the end result. We have a clear egg, a red egg, and a brown egg. Brown egg. Oh!
Oh no!
Well, yeah, that's one of the things that will happen. So, that's why we did 3, because they're very squishy and break very easily. So, we're gonna take a torch and put it under. And I did not wash this correctly, so it's not showing anything.
Okay.
Lucky for you, I always keep it there. Lucky I keep an egg in my pocket,
Okay.
so I'm just gonna wash this one. The light is shining through the egg and it makes the egg glow, and it's really cool. And let's test
Okay.
it with, oh yeah.
Try this one.
So, now that there's a flashing light, looks like a flashing light, but it's just an egg. And then there's a red light that makes it kind of red. And then the stable light.
So Seth, how does this work?
The vinegar dissolves the eggshell and the egg expands slightly because the membrane is semi-permeable.
Which means it allows fluid to pass through it, a process called osmosis.
The increased fluid inside the egg makes it bouncy and it easier for light to pass through the egg. We really, really, really love doing this experiment.
Even if I don't like eggs, it was really fun. And remember to tag us on #SemaslAb. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this was
Sema's Lab.
Karibu! Welcome to Sema's Lab, a world full of science and slime,
Tech genius and excellent experiments,
magic and mayhem.
facts and fun.
And today, check out how to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stacy and Seth.
Stacy, I know you don't like eggs, but for today's vacuum experiment, we're gonna have to use one.
Okay.
So for today's vacuum experiment, you're gonna need a bottle,
Matchbox,
a hard-boiled egg.
and a candle. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so we had an adult light the candle and now we're gonna put the egg on top. We're gonna wait for the candle to finish burning, yeah, and then it'll suck it like a vacuum.
Yeah, it's starting to
You
suck
see,
it.
it's starting, and once it ends,
It is happening.
so guys, instead of using a candle, we swapped it out with paper because it works better. So we're gonna have an adult assistant come and help us light the paper.
Clara.
Now
Now we're going to put.
oh. Okay, so that was another failed attempt, but we're gonna try again because being a scientist means you have to try and try and try until you finally get your end result. So we're trying again. So guys, this is really hard to light while the paper's inside because there's not enough oxygen in the bottle. So yeah, it's really hard to light. So that's why you gotta keep trying over and over again.
Even if you have to try 100 times,
Yeah.
I think it will be worth it.
Yeah, it'll be worth it once it sucks it up. So it didn't really work out for us. We tried the candle, we tried paper. Nothing really worked for us, so.
But you guys should try it at home, and if it works, tell us in the comments down below.
Yeah, and click up here to see our other videos.
This is Seth,
And this is Stacy.
and this is Sema's Lab!
Karibu! Welcome to Sema's Lab, a world full of science and slime, tech genius and excellent experiments, magic and mayhem, facts and fun.
And today, check out how to do this!
Wow! Wow!
Over to Stacy and Seth!
So Stacy, do you like swimming?
I love swimming.
Well, let me ask you this. Would you float better in the ocean or swimming pool?
I think ocean.
You'd be right because the salt water in the ocean is more dense than the fresh water in a swimming pool, and we're going to demonstrate that today with an egg. I know you don't like eggs, but that's the only way. Let's get started. So for this experiment / demonstration, you'll need water,
Stirring rod,
2 glasses,
salt.
and the eggs.
So the first thing you'll do, you'll take the salt and put it into 1 glass water.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, and then you're gonna stir it. And then the other glass, you're not gonna put any salt.
Yeah. I think the water just needs to be a bit salty, or salty enough.
Yeah, I think that's okay.
So now we're gonna put the eggs in and see which floats better. Mine sank and hers floated.
Yeah,
Wow.
floating. So now we can say you were right.
Yeah, I was right. As explained earlier, the salty water is denser than the fresh water.
That's why the egg in the salty water floated and the egg in the fresh water sank.
Yeah, we really enjoyed this experiment and it was a good demonstration of density, and we hope you enjoyed too.
Yeah, remember to tag us at #Sema's Lab. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is
Sema's Lab! Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.